Hi Artie, this is your news. Spikkin Scots is your human richt. So you ken ilka day in Scotland, folk just can't get along with Spikkin Scots. You can spik Scots amaze folk, but nae all the time. Ken, there's many a situation where you just can't spik, ken the way that we're meant to spik. So if you want to get some Scots news, come along at yournews.co.uk. What I'm doing is I'm biggin this data set, a Rosetta Stone for Scots, to train AI and translate from English into Scots. And what I'll do for us is mean that with technology in the future, Ken, we wouldn't need to speak English any longer. Ken, we'll just be able to speak Scots all the time. And that's what I'm trying to do with your news. So you can join in with it. If you think there's anything wrong with the articles, let me ken about it. And if you want more variants, Ken, if you didn't get along with reading fits on here, Ken, let me ken about it. And we'll big this together, because Ken, Scots is, Ken, it's been we're long that we've just, Ken, we've just nae head on anything. But with AI, Ken, there's a chance that we can do this. Ken, and mark some for the Scots. So, Ken, come along and join your news.